Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add shake effect in Alight Motion. To add shake effect in Alight Motion, follow these steps. First things first, launch the Alight Motion on your device. Tap the plus icon to start a new project. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, resolution, and frame rate. Once done, tap Create Project. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Then for example, I want to add a text to apply the shake effect to. Tap on text, then enter your preferred words. Then tap on the check button on the top right. The selected media will appear on the timeline. While the text is highlighted, tap the Effects button at the bottom of the screen. Tap Add Effect. Now go ahead and find the top Move and Transform section. Choose the Auto Shake effect from the list, and here you can choose from the preset from the in or out transition, but now let's choose Standard Settings. The shake effect will now be applied to the selected layer. You can customize the shake effect. After selecting the shake effect, you can adjust its settings, the magnitude, controls how intense the shake is. You can increase the magnitude for a more dramatic shake, or lower it for a subtle effect. Frequency determines how fast the shaking happens. Higher frequency results in a faster shake. Seed randomizes the shake motion to make it feel more natural. Now, let's start the play button at the top of the screen to preview your shake effect in action. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.